Hey guys, Elise from She's All Curves, and I'm coming at you with how to style your beautiful curvy bodies. Okay, so what is the public definition of curvy? Like, what is curvy to you? Pretty much, I think, honestly, after all this research, that curviness, if you think you have curves, then you're curvy. Like, seriously, there could be, hourglass, pear shape, apple shape, triangle shape, rectangular shape. It's insane. It's only recently that we've kind of started to really see that plus size doesn't really fit into any of those. You kind of just add a lot more onto one of those shapes, and that's kind of what your body's gonna fall into. So what I'm going to talk about now is how stylists, like celebrity stylists, they use these tips and tricks. And it's just going to be the best way to kind of style your unique body. Let's do it. Tip number 1, flaunt your favorite feature. Pick parts of your body that you are most proud of and you want to highlight. Okay, so it could be anything. It could be like your booty you love, your breastises that you love. It could be your damn feet. It could be anything. But just flaunt it. If you're trying to kind of make this part of you look more slim, you want to accentuate this part of your waist, I guess, to where, so if you like a top that cinches, even a dress even that cinches right here and kind of comes out, it kind of covers the right areas and just brings in that smallest part of your waist to just kind of get that slimming effect. A really dope idea with that is like a dark wide belt. And that's the part that you can work your entire outfit around. So elongate your body. This is a massive one to me because I'm so damn short, but you can do this so many ways. A big one that I do a lot is where I'll wear one color. Like I'll have my top and my pants the same color. Like I'm even doing it with this. Just anything that kind of is matching with color, it really elongates your body. Stockings, if you're wearing like pants or stockings, but always make sure you have matching shoes. I think I'll check an example up. But like stockings and matching shoes just kind of lengthens your legs, which is so dope. I mean, here's another one. It's super simple, but posture, ladies. If you have your shoulders back, chin up, straight back, you just feel, it's just the way you carry yourself. It gives you a lot more confidence, and it can really finish that outfit that you're rocking. Another one, know your fabrics and your measurements. It's so massive to just have your measurements on hand. If you go back a couple blogs I did a 3D scan, and it literally gave my measurements for every part of my body, and it's so good to just have in my phone. And whenever I'm doing like online shopping and stuff, you can't fail just to have those measurements. So ladies, always go for material. Obviously I don't need to say this, with stretch, but I've gone and put up a kind of like a little table that gives you all the type of fabrics that give you really good stretch and all the sort of fabrics that give you no stretch, so just avoid those. Another one to let you know though, patterns are your friend. Like you could literally, I know a lot of us want to chuck on really solid colors or really dark colors, but patterns and drapery can really enhance something and kind of take the attention off the other part of the body that you want to avoid. Like picture like I'll put up an example of like a skirt with a drapery on the front, or like a top with really dope cuts. Even patterns, like you could really wear some dark pants or dark kind of bottoms with a really patterned top to just accentuate that part of the body. Which is another point, undergarments. Make them your friend. Like you can have a dope outfit and you could literally have your bra strap just digging into you, or digging into your back, or some panties that are just right in there, And it can completely throw off an outfit that you've put so much time into. Just don't end it where your clothes are. Take that layer in and just always make sure you fitted well and everything with your undergarments, ladies. Accessories, so awesome. Like, don't just finish it there with your outfit. You can have dope earrings. Your makeup could be crazy. Your hair could be crazy. A dope pair of shoes, a dope clutch could really kind of take the attention off what you don't want to flaunt. Like, you don't want all the attention to go on that. Then if you're not feeling too cool about your outfit, accessorize. So there you have it, ladies. Embrace your curves. Start really getting bold with styles and trends. Don't feel like you can't, this is the trends. They come like blockwork. I said blockwork. I'm gonna keep it. This should be clockwork. But they do. They come. Don't be afraid to follow it. Seriously, try out the trends. Don't just stick to what you think your body looks comfortable in. Just check out the bloggers, because they are always putting up what's in trend, what's in season, and just give everything a go. Follow some curvy bloggers like me that just know how to dress. That just would give you so much inspiration. If they're pulling it off, then of course you can. I made a blog a couple weeks back about the top 10 bloggers you should follow. Check it out. Link in below. Okay, my loves, I am always just a direct message away though, from my heart. I am seriously there if you ever need any guidance, you just want to talk, you just want any answers, just hit me up. I'm so approachable, would love to talk to you. Love you guys. Be brave. Seriously, just be brave. If you want some more inspiration, my Pinterest account at xoxo.com. I have so many looks, so much inspiration. I have flat lay boards, I have catwalk boards, all to do with curvy women. Take a look. Confidence is key. Subscribe!